Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the failed to load Steam Overlay DLL error code 126 inches on your Windows PC. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, in the bottom left corner of your screen, click on the search bar. Once it opens, type in Task Manager and then click on the Task Manager app that appears in the search results. This will bring up a window showing all the programs currently running on your computer. Now, look through the list of active processes until you find Steam. Once you locate it, right-click on Steam and select End Task from the menu that appears. This will completely close Steam and any related processes that might be causing the error. The application will automatically restart in a moment, but before we do that, we need to locate where Steam is installed on your system. Next, right-click on your Steam shortcut and select Open File Location. This will take you directly to the folder where your Steam application is installed. Take a moment to check which drive it's located on, whether it's local disk C, D, or E. In my case, my Steam app is installed in local disk C, so I'll be using that path for the next steps. Now, in the bottom left corner again, click the search button and type Run. Click on the Run app that appears. This will open a small window where you can execute commands directly. In the text field, carefully type /program files space open parentheses x86 close parentheses /steam /bin /steam service.exe space / repair. Once you've entered that exactly as shown, click OK. If a user account control prompt appears asking for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes to proceed. Now, wait a few seconds while Windows repairs the Steam service. You might notice a black command prompt window briefly appear on your screen and then close automatically. This is completely normal and means the repair process is working. After this is complete, restart your PC. This ensures that all the changes take effect properly and clears any temporary conflicts that might have been causing the error. Once your computer restarts, open Steam and check if the failed to load Steam Overlay DLL error code 126 is gone. In most cases, this repair process resolves the issue completely. However, if the error still persists, there's one more setting we need to check. In the upper left corner of Steam, click on Library. Now, although I don't have Schedule 1 in my library list, I'll show you the next step anyway. Let's pretend that I have Schedule 1, or that I'm using Schedule 1 for this demonstration. Right-click on the game name, in this example Battlefield. Then select Properties. Look for the option that says Enable the Steam Overlay while in game, and right beside it, toggle it on. This setting is crucial because it allows Steam to inject the overlay into your game, and if it's disabled, you'll likely encounter this error. After making this change, restart Steam. This is essential for the settings to apply properly. Once Steam restarts, try launching your game again and the error should now be completely resolved. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.